Right, so we arrived here last night, got to watch a beautiful sunset, which was, yeah, beautiful. Today, quite a few people that we already know and some new friends basically have turned up, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vans of us now. 2 of the guys have got their own decks, so tonight they're gonna have like a DJ off, hopefully. I don't even know if that's like the thing that you say, because I'm not down with all that. Like, I don't know all the jargon, all the slang and that shit. I've just seen you looking at me.
I thought you sent a voice message to somebody.
No, I just thought I'd update everyone what we're up to. But it is that hot today.
We're hiding from it.
We're having to hide from the sun. It is relentless. It was windy this morning, so you couldn't sit out in it because it was that windy that you were just getting whipped by all the sand. And then this afternoon, the wind's dropped off and it's just like, and it's getting hotter. Friday it's going to be 30. Luna's struggled a little bit today, so I've had to sat by the little window, bless her heart. She's all right now, luckily. But yeah, I'll hopefully see you in a bit and show you what we get up to tonight. You excited, Nick?
I'm tired, babe.
We're both knackered. I just was like, oh, should we have a nanny nap? Do you know what time it is? It's like nearly 6 o'clock and we're both asking for a nanny nap. Don't think it'll work, do you? Oh God, you're red hot. Right, anyhow, we'll catch you hopefully at the rave, because I'm down with the kids now.
Yeah, I've got to make a cake.
Are you going to get them brownies on the go then?
Make some cakes.
Make some cakes?
Yeah, just average normal brownies.
They weren't wrong about the forecast on them waves. We could literally feel the ground shaking below us. Opens your eyes to the power of Mother Nature though, right?
Shopping day.
Couple of daily.
Yeah, basically we're going shopping because we're for 3 days worth of food. Yeah, we're trying to anyway. So we're walking into Tamraght, which is about a 10-minute walk, 15-minute walk. So we're going to go and get all our fruit and veg. And oh, I want some bread as well this time. And we also need water, so we've got to carry all the water back as well, which is a bit of a nightmare.
Who's got to carry the water back?
You have to walk.
I
meant
me.
Yeah, you. So yeah, we're going to nip into town, do that, and then at least we've got ourselves settled for a few days. We've been doing it really simply and as cheaply as we possibly can. So basically doing everything from scratch Nick's been doing, and it's literally costing us. Well, I'll let you know. We'll find out today, won't we?
Vegetarian now, aren't we?
Yeah, we're very much turned veggie. Not on purpose. Ooh, we could get that on the way back. Sorry, Nick's just spotted some wood. Oh, and there, look. No, I know we'll come back. Yeah, definitely, that's a fire. We're having a fire tonight. But yeah, come along with us to the shops now, because we will be able to, well, see how much it's going to cost us for the next few days. Nick, we're doing it on a budget, don't go crazy.
I don't do it on a budget. When have I been crazy?
Well, you can't really go crazy here because it's so cheap.
Crazy. I bought too many, kiwis? That's the only thing I bought. A big ginger. That's
A
crazy.
big ginger.
That's the only crazy bit, isn't it?
Right, anyhow. Oh, he's found loads of wood. Oh my god. Anyway, let's get to the shops. Right, apologies for the sound again. So, Tamraght, we went to the normal shops that we go to, but the fruit was really wrinkly and a bit shit, to be honest. Sorry, excuse my language. We've decided to walk, well, I decided we should walk down to Aourir, which is like a 35-minute walk. Nick keeps reminding me how far it actually is. I don't think he's happy about walking.
It's too bloody hot to walk. Look at it. Basic.
It's too hot to walk.
It'll be like 30 degrees walking, sweat pouring off my head, look. That's not gonna last.
Oh God, we're not walking across the desert.
Right, can we get a taxi back then?
Yeah, I said we could get a taxi back.
Yeah, look at this. That's their version of scaffolding. No, not throwing sign or anything.
Look at that. That's how they do it. All downhill now, Nick.
Yeah, we've done the hard bit. It's all downhill from here.
This bit's a bit precarious. I think we should just walk on the road. We made it to Aourir and he didn't even complain. Walked up here last time and then there was some nice ones over there, yeah. The coffee beans, they've got everything. This is more like it, isn't it? Is this where we came last time? Oh. Look over there, they're the proper peppers.
Get nice and hard.
Yeah?
You don't want ripe ones because we've already got some in the fridge. You want to let go?
Are we doing it?
Please. Do you want a pineapple?
Yeah. Have they got the long red peppers? Good, the red peppers on steroids.
Hey, good.
Are they better, yeah?
Oh, the mouth.
We've got tomatoes here. Is he making a meal out of this or is the knife blunt?
Oh, it's that thick, innit? Like that.
Come on. Hey.
Yes? It's in it.
That's it. Right, we got a taxi back to the van. Nick's giving all the vegetables a little wash. We managed to get bread, loads of fruit and veg, and water. So yeah, we were running out of water drastically quick. So we now know that we can keep ourselves hydrated so we don't have to move for a while. Taxi cost us, 35 dirham back from Aourir to Banana Point. Yeah, but it was better than walking.
Plus, because we got a taxi, we got more water. We wouldn't have been able to carry them as well.
True that. True that. That's a wonky pineapple now, isn't it? So all the stuff's been put away, all the fruit and veg. I've just come to make a coffee and check out the sand all over the side from all these bloody sandy, windy storms coming in. 1 minute, I'll show you. How crazy. So when Nick decides to do a fruit salad, it ain't just any fruit salad. Yeah, boy. Go on then, help yourself.
I am.
How many forks did you bring?
One. It's nice.
Oh, can I just go in with my fingers? Luna, you want some?
Strawberry.
They're nice. Right, so we've just had the year anniversary of Nick's hospital shenanigans in Morocco last year, and Nick's woke up today with a blooming, well, I'll just show you. Are you going to show them?
Well, you can show the picture when it first happened.
No, I want to see it live. Oh, try and open your eye. It actually looks like it's going down with that cool sweller. But this is what it looked like this morning. Oh my God, he woke up like that and it just, yeah. That's how we started our day. So I've filled him full of antihistamines. We've got some magic spray from SJ that we're spraying on it. And I've just, I've just gone ice picking in the freezer to go and get some ice, because we don't have ice in the fridge. So we just have like a freezer that's just completely clogged with ice. So I chipped a load of that off. He's got a cold compress on it, so hopefully, I think that's working. So no hospital visits, please. Honestly, what am I going to do with him? This isn't the first bite that Nick's had. Like, before we actually came over, if you remember, he got bitten quite a lot in Spain. He literally looked like he had bloody leprosy or something. He had all bumps. You could see them through his t-shirt. It was that bad. Luckily, he got over them. It was fine. We've been using Afterbite now. They've just took on a new freaking level. It's like the mozzies that are on steroids seem to be in our van and pumping full of Nick's blood. We need to kill them. He even got SJ to go and grab me a mosquito killer, because I was like, fuck the flies, you know. I know I don't want to kill all the creatures and all that, but when it's a case of us or them, I'm sorry, but we choose us.
The mosquito catcher you got didn't catch fuck all.
Yeah, the mosquito catcher caught a moth and a fly. So hopefully tonight it'll catch it. I've left it on all day because I'm like, this fucker isn't going to get away. So hopefully we'll be able to splat it, and then it'll end up with Nick's blood all over the van. So yeah, Nick's needing some time away from the sunshine so that he can cool that eye down, because he's been sat outside. He came in a minute ago and it was like bulbous red. A bit of a lie down for him, and I'll go out and enjoy the sunshine.
So does that mean you're going to do the cooking today?
No. It's alright, the swelling will have gone down by the time we're hungry.
Yeah, you're hoping.
Do you want a pot noodle for your tea?
No. You're going to make couscous with veg.
Okay, if you cut it up and cook it, I'll eat it. Anyway, we'll keep you updated on how this is going. Morning coffee while Luna has a wee, just on cue.
Right, that's it for this week, people. If you're not already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We are nearly at 1,000 subscribers.
Welcome to my bed. I am happy. Yes, I am happy, brother. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.